Hello everyone, welcome back to Primo ICT Lectures. In this video, we are going to learn how to create hyperlink in HTML. Watch this video until the end so that you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. As you see, we are using Notepad++ HTML editor. Let me type the title. After typing the title of my document, we are going to link this page to another page. Hyperlink is a clickable text image that can take you from one page to another. So to create a hyperlink in HTML, we use a tag known as anchor tag. It's a paired tag. Anchor tag. This is the tag used to create a hyperlink. So between opening and closing tag, we type the name of a hyperlink. Suppose that the name is home. And in the opening tag we are going to add some attributes. So there is an attribute called href, H-R-E-F, hypertext reference. And this attribute, the value of this attribute is the linked page. Not the current one, the linked page. And another attribute that can use, there is attribute called target. Target, this attribute defines where the linked page will open. For example, if the value of target attribute is underscore blank, the linked page will open in a new tab. And also, you can add another attribute known as title. This attribute, the value of this attribute is the text that display on a hyperlink when you click on it. For example, let's type welcome home. Now, to finish this activity, we want to type the name of the linked page. So in this case, to create internal hyperlink, we have to specify the name of the page, the linked page, by using relative path. For example, this HTML file was saved into this folder. This is its name, link. So I wanted to link it to another page called index here. So in this case, I'm going to type index.html. This is a relative path, which means that the linked page is in the same folder as the current page. Now, let's save the changes by clicking File tab, then Save. And now, let's open this file. Let's open it with a browser. So, you see that we have opened a web page called the link. And when I click this, so when I put the mouse cursor on the hyperlink, there is the text, which was the value of title attribute, welcome home. And when I click this link, it takes me to another page. So another page, which is called index.html. And as you see, this is the page called link.html. And as I have used underscore blank as the value of target attribute, the link the page has opened in another link. This is the now. Let's go back to Notepad++ HTML editor. So here, let me show you another way of giving the path of the linked page. For example, inside this folder, there is another folder called Pages. And inside the Pages folder, there is another HTML file called Service. Suppose that I wanted to create another hyperlink that takes me to the service web page. In this case, I'm going to copy this, Ctrl+C, then go to the next line, Ctrl+V to paste, and I'm going to change the path here, and also I'm going to change, let's call it service, like this. And here, let's change and write our services. So as you see, the linking page is stored into the folder called Pages, which is in the same folder as the current page. So to use the relative path is a path which tells the browser to start from the current folder. So we type Pages here, / and write this, the name of the linked page, .html. And when we save the changes and reload, so we have another link. So when I click to this link, I visit a new web page. Thank you for watching my video. If you find it helpful, please subscribe to my channel. See you in the upcoming videos.